to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Well, here we are. We're in Red, and we're heading to beautiful Cape Cod. Ooh, booster. And there's my baby. Oh, it's hard to see. Well, turn on the light for her. There she is. Hi.
Miles in the road.
Okay. And there's Daisy. Oops. Let me turn on the light for Daisy. Hey, Daisy. I know it's a little dark. Right now it's 6:34. Here's Daisy. Hey, Daisy. Hi. And of course it's me. Turn the light. Hi.
Kids.
And the kids are in the back. Let's turn on the light back there. Kids are in the back. Okay. Come on. There we go.
585 miles an hour.
Yeah, it's a 10-hour trip because we take the long way so we don't go through Connecticut or Rhode Island. New Bedford. It's a mess in there. Okay. Yep. Massachusetts is a mess. Rhode Island's a mess. Connecticut's a horror show. We should take Connecticut and just take it off the map.
One straight line right through.
Yeah, instead of going through all the cities there. All the traffic. Traffic, it's a mess. Alright, so we're gonna stop to get coffee and gas for Red. And I got the GoPro, the other one. I got it on time lapse. We're gonna check that out, see what it looks like. It might be a total disaster. I don't know. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a long trip and a different video. The best part of the trip is coming through here. This is so cool. Love it. We still got that GoPro running on time lapse. Look how cool it is. The sun coming through. Hi, babe. Daisy. Sleeping. There's the pesties. I don't know what they're doing, I can't see.
Oh, yeah, I'm looking at it.
Okay. So, I don't know where we are. We still got,
470 miles to go.
unless we take a different route. So far, that's the mileage. And 7 hours, 15 minutes to go. Maybe, right? Maybe 7, 8, 9. Could be.
It always does that. Oh, hey, look, get 500 miles to go.
Yep.
Let's just go by this as a guess. 7 hours and 50.
Maybe. Like I said earlier, we're taking the long way.
Sometimes you bend, sometimes you stand, sometimes you turn your back to the wind. There's a world outside the darkened door where blues won't haunt you anymore. With a brave heart, free lover's soul, come ride with me to the distant shore. We won't hesitate, break down the garden gate. There's not much time left today. Life is a highway, I wanna ride it all night long. If you're going my way, I wanna drive it all night long. Through all these cities and all these towns, it's in my blood and it's all around. I loved you now like I loved you then. This is the road and these are the hills. From Mozambique to those Memphis nights, the Khyber Pass to Vancouver's lights. Knock me down and back up again. You're in my blood, I'm not a lonely man. There's no load I can't hold. The road's so rough, this I know. I'll be there when the light comes in. Just tell them we're survivors. Life is a highway, I wanna ride it all night long. If you're going my way, I wanna drive it all night long. Life is a highway, I wanna ride it all night long. Give me, yeah. You're going my way, I wanna drive it all night long. There was a distance between you and I, a misunderstanding once, but now we're looking in the eye. There ain't no road that I can't hold. Road so rough, yes I know. I'll be there when the light comes in. Just tell them we're survivors. Life is a highway, I wanna ride it all night long. If you're going my way, I wanna drive it all night long. Gimme, yeah. Life is a highway, I wanna ride it all night long. If you're going my way, I wanna drive it all night long. Gimme, yeah. Life is a highway, I wanna ride it all night long. If you're going my way, I wanna drive it all night long.
I come in last night about 10:30. That baby of mine wouldn't let me in. So move it on over, rock it on over, move over, little dog. A mean old dog is moving in. She told me not to mess around, but I done let the deal go down. Move it on over, rock it on over, move over, nice dog, a big bad dog.
fond of sand dunes and salty air. Quaint little villages here and there. You're sure to fall in love with old Cape Cod. Old Cape Cod, that old Cape Cod.
Roundabout, the words will make you out and out and spend the day your way. Call it morning, driving through the sun and in and out the valley. The music dance and sing, they make the children really ring. I spend the day your way. Call it morning, driving through the sun and in and out the valley. In and around the lake, mountains come out of the sky and they stand there. When my lover will be there and we'll see you. 10 true summers will be there laughing too. 24 before my love we'll see. I'll be there with you. I will remember you. Your silhouette will charge the view of distant atmosphere. Call it morning, driving through the sound and even in the valley. In and around the lake, mountains come out of the sky.
Welcome to New York, New York, New York. Oops.
Oops. That's what happens when you get in New York.
Hit the phone. Here we go, over the bridge. The Hudson River.
Another bridge.
Oh. And the Hudson River on the other side. Hudson
So
River.
it's Hamilton Fish.
Hamilton Fish
Fish
Bridge.
Kill. Beacon Bridge.
Okay.
Danbury.
Yeah. Maybe this is the way we usually go. I
This
don't know.
is the way we usually go.
Yeah.
That's the bridge that we lost.
Welcome to Connecticut. I really didn't want to go into Connecticut, but we'll save a couple hours if we go this way, I guess, an hour. Well, there's a sign, Massachusetts welcomes you. Boo-hoo. Welcome to Massachusetts. And the cop is still there. See him? There he is.
So everybody slow down to 60.
Oh boy.
Massachusetts.
Peter's getting the jitters again.
No, I'm not getting jitters.
Yeah.
I'm getting...
You're on camera.
Sorry. Okay, I'm just going to get over here and go behind this Western Express.
Okay. Here we are going over the Bourne Bridge.
This is how you know you're in the Cape Cod.
Cape Cod. I forgot my tunnel
half a
permit,
mile,
so we have to take the
use the left
bridge.
lane, then at the roundabout, take the third exit.
And there's the canal. I don't know if you can see it. And in the background is the train bridge. And here's where it starts getting trafficy. We got over there.
Same thing as the other side.
We'll take the other side?
No.
Okay. Cape Cod.
We made it.
The Bourne Bridge. We still got 49 minutes
Oh
to
my
go.
God.
50 minutes to go before we get to our condo. And we got a little traffic, so
Always.
coming into the Rotary.
Oh no.
To the left.
Here we are. It's 4:30. 4:31. And that's some of the places. Oops. And here we are. Oh, Daisy in the back. In the back.
Get in the back. Yeah, the dog.
We're here. Where's the greens?